I chose SUNY Morrisville in residential construction because I really liked their program. I wasn't even sure what I wanted to do my senior year of high school. In the beginning of it, I wasn't going to college, and then by the end of it, I decided I'm going to go to the SUNY Morrisville program. I did a visit. I really liked Mr. Gridley, and I liked the construction field, and I wanted to learn more about how to do it. So that way, if I wanted to build my own house one day, I could do that. So I just wanted to learn more about the construction field and how it's done properly.
When I came to Morrisville, I heard about the construction program pretty quickly. I had looked at a few programs, but construction striking my attention the most, and it has been nothing but great success since. You have two very, very skilled people in the construction world. Sean is more skilled, I think, towards like the codes aspect and the electrical aspect, whereas Gridley does more framing and stuff like that. So having the best of both worlds in front of you was such an amazing experience. I think what I like most is the hands-on experience and how much one-on-one time you get with a professor. I enjoy that you learn something in a classroom and then the next class you're able to showcase that through doing an activity.
I have a job opportunity down in Connecticut, so I'm going to go out there, and he learned that I have a construction background. He said, that's awesome, because I have a bunch of houses I need fixed up, so I'm going to be able to go there and have that added to my job criteria. Here we learn every step, so it really opens up a wide variety of jobs.
I think anyone who's hands-on learning or anyone who would want the one-on-one attention or specific trades learning, I think it is phenomenal here for that.